or many just blend into the crowd, the GMC Canyon AT4X stands defiantly apart. With a face so freshly updated that even the police and folks in the most rural parts of Florida couldn't help but flash a grin my way. Never mind why I was out there. The AT4X boasts standard 33-inch mud tires, ready to grip any terrain. Its Multimatic mumbo-jumbo dampers ensures a ride as smooth as a waltz, while the front and rear e-lockers, coupled with the robust underbody skid plates, makes it clear that this truck isn't just for show. And for those moments when you want to feel like you're tearing through the Baja Desert, there's an ATX4 exclusive Baja mode. And I liked it. It was actually really fun. More on that later. My name is Matt, and this is Rockers Drive Club. And it really took me forever to record that intro, so I hope you enjoyed it, and let's get into the show.
The Canyon AT4X isn't just another truck. It's a statement. Its bold stance, accentuated by those 33-inch mud terrain tires, gives it an imposing presence on the road. The updated front end, with its aggressive grille, sharp lines, it's just a head turner. And it's not just about aesthetics. The factory lift provides a generous 10.7 inches of ground clearance and 36.9 degree approach angle. If you don't go off-road, then none of this means anything to you, but for us real drivers, that means something. I don't know what, but it means something. This truck doesn't just conquer terrain. It commands them.
So the back door was, it had like a child safety lock on, and I didn't know, so I got stuck in the back seat. So I had to crawl through the middle, and I was upside down somehow and kind of rolled out through the front side. So, yeah. Slide into the cabin, and you're greeted with the exclusive Obsidian Rush interior, accented with hints of ceramic white. The centerpiece? A customizable 11.3-inch diagonal touchscreen infotainment system, flanked by an impressive 11-inch fully digital instrument cluster. And for those who like to drive with their soundtrack, the Bose 7-speaker audio system ensures every beat is crystal clear. Every detail, from the stitched AT4X logo on the front, just in case you forgot what you're driving, to the all-weather floor liners, screams luxury and ruggedness in equal measure. From an interior point of view, driving this truck doesn't feel that big. Like, I actually forget how big the truck is until I see somebody walking past or I pass by another vehicle. I really don't realize how big this truck is. You also get to go through the different driving modes that they have, which are Baja mode, terrain mode, off-road mode, normal mode, tow and hauling mode. This internal combustion engine is a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. As far as power goes, you get a turbocharged inline 4 that delivers 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, ensuring you have power on tap whenever you need it. When you step on the pedal about 10%, you hear the turbo start to spool, and it sounds like a little diesel truck. It's like somebody told this truck it is a diesel, and they really believed it. And with the AT4X exclusive Baja mode, you can tap into this truck's wild side, letting it loose on open terrains. And before we get into the drive, driving this is an experience like no other. There's wheel spin when you want it, and traction when you need it.
spin coming through here. Ease thing. Thought I would lose like a little bit of traction. Nothing. Like clockwork.
The GMC Canyon AT4X is more than just a truck. It's a testament to what's possible when design, performance, and luxury all come together. It's a truck that looks good, it drives gooder, it makes every journey an adventure. If you ever find yourself on a remote trail with the sun setting and Pompeii playing on the radio, you'll know you made the right choice. So if you're in the market for a truck that can do it all and look good doing it, the Canyon AT4X is the one for you. And hey, if it can make the police smile at me, it's got to be doing something right.